decided to conduct a joint visit to Langpih by September end. The regional committee meeting between the West Khasi Hills district and the Kamrup Rural to settle border difference at Langpih was held at Pinewood Hotel, Shillong. Chairman in charge of Kamrup District Sector, Chandra Mohan Patowari, and Chairman of West Khasi Hills Regional Committee, Paul Lingdor, during their interaction with media, said substantive progress reached as the committee has narrowed the number of such areas of conflict as 2 DCs are entrusted with the task to come with names of the villages.
Which cannot be solved.
We have narrowed down the number of such areas, and to go to specifics, that is to go to the exact villages, names of villages or hamlets, the 2 DCs as well as the local MDC have been entrusted with the task of preparing a list, which will then the 2 regional committees will again meet after the end of the assembly session.
The Superintendent